Welcome aboard the Aquila 47 Molokai. Technology changes so fast on boats. We have a very exclusive relationship with Raymarine as our OEM provider for the Aquila range. And we wanted to invite Raymarine on board the 47 Molokai to kind of bring us up to speed on the latest technology on board. So with me today is Jim Hands, and he'll walk us through the operating systems and some of the key features.
Thanks for having me. So yeah, here we have our Axiom 2 XL chart plotter displays. We have three 19 inches on this boat. We can also get them in two 24 inches. So just a quick overview of Axiom 2 XL. It's one display with endless possibilities. They're all networked together.
Walk us through a little bit of the network capabilities. So this is the brains of the 47 Molokai, as well as some of our other product lineups include the C-Zone as our function of the boat main operating system. How does that integrate directly with Raymarine for redundancy standpoint?
Yeah, so we have a dedicated C-Zone app, so we can control all of the functions on the boat. So the lighting, the pumps, we can monitor the tank levels as well. So the integration capabilities are pretty extensive. So if you're out also with your family, there's some nice additions too. We have what we call our Lighthouse app. You can connect the boat to Netflix or Spotify. So if you want to enjoy some entertainment at the helm, and there's a whole list of different types of Lighthouse apps. We also integrate with the boat's audio system. So there's a Fusion audio system on here. So we have full audio control right from the Axiom display.
Very nice. Working from the top down on the boat, if you would just give us a quick run through on some of the technology that's on the hardtop.
So up on the hardtop, we have our Cyclone open array 6-foot radar. So that's ideal for collision avoidance. Also great for locating birds if you're out fishing. Also up there is our FLIR M364C camera system. So that's a unique camera that is both a thermal camera and a daylight visible camera as well.
And why is that important?
So it's really the best of both worlds. Thermal technology is going to help you see in total darkness. It sees heat. It's a proven technology that FLIR is known for. It's night vision effectively, but you can also see through glare in the sun. So if you're going out in the early morning, it helps you see through any type of obscurance as well. But then we also have this visible camera that's built into the M364C, and it's stabilized. So this is the camera has a built-in image stabilization system, but you can almost think of this as like having a built-in set of binoculars right into your dashboard. So you can zoom in with incredible fidelity with that 30x optical zoom on there, which is really helpful if you want to identify boats or navigation aids at a distance. And then on top of that, we also have what we call our augmented reality technology. So we can actually overlay targets, AIS and waypoint targets. We don't have any visible here, but they'll show up right on the screen as little overlays to help you get a little better sense of collision avoidance and what other objects are out there.
Yeah, we used it on the way out here and it was great. Yeah. But from a fishability standpoint, what are some of the new technologies that Raymarine's bringing to the forefront?
So behind the scenes, we have a network sonar module called our RVM 1600, which uses our Real Vision Max technology. So that is a multi-channel sonar. It has conventional chirp sonar, it has side vision, down vision, and 3D sonar. It also has a dedicated 1 kilowatt, 250 kilohertz channel for offshore fishing as well. So it's a very versatile all-in-one sonar module that really kind of takes it up a notch in terms of fishing.
Some of the other benefits with your system, we touched on augmented reality, the FLIR camera system. Is there anything else that's new on board this operating system or that Raymarine will be bringing to the table soon?
Yeah, so these are the newest generation. These are the Axiom 2 XL displays. So what these bring in is a whole new screen technology. They're super bright displays, but they have what's called our HydroTough coating on them. Which is an oleophobic coating which resists smudges and oils. It also gives you really good touchscreen performance when your hands are wet, reduces the glare, and it improves the color and contrast, and that's called HydroTough technology.
Yeah, that's something that's really important. So it's great that Raymarine has brought that new technology to the screens. Dealing with screens and elements of various sorts has always been a bit of a challenge. Jim, we've only begun to scratch the surface on all the latest Raymarine technology. Where could some of our clients or owners go to learn more about your latest developments?
They can head over to our website at raymarine.com or just follow us on all of our social channels.
Okay, fantastic. And if you'd like to learn more about Aquila, please visit us at aquilaboats.com or on our social channels, or visit one of your local Aquila dealers. Thanks again, Jim. Thank you for being on board, and look forward to next time.
Thank you.